Hey everyone, Haley here from The Foiled Plan. Today we are doing a Valentine's inspired speed craft because we're exactly 1 week away from Valentine's Day. You either love it or you hate it. I myself don't really celebrate it, but I have to say I would not be mad if I got a little box of chicken nuggies for Valentine's Day. I thought this was a funny and cute take on a Valentine's surprise, so if you have a hashtag single friend in your life, or just anyone that you care about and is a McDonald's fiend, then you could make a box like this for them and just change up the decal design on top. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my Friday videos, and let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so I'm just uploading Auntie Tay's SVGs to my iPad Pro, then sending them over to my Cricut Explore Air 2 to cut the designs in the Oracal vinyl. This vinyl is actually from one of Auntie Tay's bundle packs. It's from the Best Day Ever pack. You can't get this one currently, but you can buy all of the colors individually if you like them. Now I'm just using my Cricut weeding tool to weed all of the designs very carefully. Then the heart-shaped box that I'm using is from Dollarama. I'm just going to remove the bow and place the designs accordingly to how I want them to end up. Now I'm using a piece of ViVViD transfer tape, and I like to lay my designs down onto my standard grip cutting mat just so everything is flat so I can pick it all up in one pull, and I know everything is going to be lined up. Once the design is how I like, I'm going to take some pink tissue paper from Dollarama, then just lightly fluff it in the bottom of the heart-shaped box, then take some Valentine's Day cupcake paper cups, and I'm placing 6 in the box. Then I got my chicken nuggets, and you'll notice I did get a 10-piece, and that's because obviously I needed a snack. It's really the gift that keeps on giving. And voila, that's it. Cute little DIY Valentine's snack. And a treat for you. Enjoy! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this speedy Valentine's Day craft tutorial. As always, I will leave helpful links in the description box below, as well as links to all of my social media so that you can hang out with me between my YouTube videos. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. I upload every single Friday, and I am so pumped to hang out with you. So I will see you guys next Friday on Valentine's Day, and that's all I'm gonna say. Bye!